Today, we will be covering the Capital Projects module of Maximo Real Estate Facilities, MREF for short. The Capital Projects module works seamlessly with other MREF modules such as lease management, space management, operations and maintenance, environmental management, and portfolio data such as locations and people. The Capital Projects module offers a cost management functionality, including reviewing year-over-year spending. Let's start with funding sources. The allocation summary shows the original funding, changes made, and amounts committed through contracts to programs and projects. The funding split by fiscal year is shown on the right. Further down is the funding organization, funding pending approval, as well as already approved funding. Approvals in MREF provide audit trails with names and timestamps. The approved funding section also shows how much of the funding has already been committed and how much is still available. Funding can be allocated to programs or projects. A more detailed allocation to the general ledger can be accomplished through the project original budget. This is how MREF provides the full scope of a project's financials, starting from the funding source all the way down to a project's budget. Once a capital project is funded, timelines to baseline the project can start. The Schedule tab of a capital project has a section to show the dates of the project schedule tasks. When a capital project is created, a template based on the project type creates a schedule task, as well as staff assignments and security settings to save time and to standardize projects. The schedule task also provides detail on the baseline, plans, and actual dates. Multiple roles can update project tasks such as the vendor, PM, business partner, or executives, and act as approvers of the schedule task changes. If you prefer viewing milestones in a Gantt format, an out-of-the-box Gantt chart is built in. Now that we have funding and timelines for our project, the procurement process can start. From the Procurement tab of the Capital Project, we will open up a bid document. The Cost Form tab shows the detailed cost breakdown of the bid. The Vendors tab is used to invite vendors to bid through the Add Person button. Vendors are able to leverage offline form capabilities to fill in an Excel spreadsheet with the bid response line items without needing an MREF license. The Notes and Documents tab allows the PM to share drawings and specs with the vendor. Many other records in MREF will have a Notes and Documents tab as a project document repository. The Bid Analysis tab is useful for bid leveling and comparing the vendor's prices. The Analysis tab gives you quick access to the vendor's bid responses and to the awarded contract created automatically upon bid award. Once a contract has been approved, an invoice record for the vendor can be created. After the invoice approval, an integration to an ERP such as Oracle or SAP can be set up to render the funds to the vendor. MREF has capabilities for other integrations such as data migration, staff and vendor creation, as well as project financials, as mentioned earlier. Now that our project is underway, we can go to our Project Manager dashboard that displays some reports related to the capital projects we are overseeing. This out-of-the-box project view allows quick access to project information. For example, in the General tab, we can see risk items created for our current project. We've been able to cover the three main features of capital projects: cost management, project scheduling, and the procurement process. The Capital Projects module of Maximo Real Estate Facilities ties the three main elements together, which allows organizations to easily oversee all aspects of hundreds or thousands of complex capital projects.